Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to make this, but first you need to start by doing it one at a time. You're going to be making one of these, and you're going to make a bunch of them to not fold, but turn into this. Let's put that over there. So first, you just fold it like this, and then you unfold it and make it like you would a paper airplane. And then even make it even more like a paper by taking this corner and folding it like this. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Alright, so now you're going to flip it around. It looks like a V. And you're going to take this corner and fold it to the middle line. Alright. To where it looks like this. Now, you take it and fold it in half. And now you're going to take this side and fold it to like about here, to where there's still a little bit coming up. It's not right at the corner. And then you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to flip it over again, and you're going to tuck this piece into this pocket here. And then once you made it, you put them all together like this. You put them all together by taking one and putting it into the bottom of another one. And then you keep doing that until you have this, which I'll complete again. See how I'm putting this one into the bottom of it? That's how you close it. And there you have it.